Samsung has given us an early look at what to expect with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, especially in terms of its cameras and internal power. Things are progressing quickly for the S25 series, with the first battery certification already completed. This indicates that the devices are well into development. Samsung has officially announced 3 new camera sensors, including the ISOCELL HP9, which boasts a 200-megapixel resolution, making it their highest resolution zoom sensor yet. Samsung has also introduced the ISOCELL, a 50-megapixel sensor that might be used in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Additionally, there's the ISOCELL JN5, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that could be featured on the S25 Ultra. All these sensors, except the ISOCELL GN5, can record videos in up to 8K at 30 frames per second and offer improved image and video quality in various conditions, including low light. Samsung has also enhanced in-sensor zoom using AI technology. One big upgrade with the new sensors is that they use much less power than previous models. For example, the ISOCELL GNJ uses about 30% less power when recording 4K video at 60 frames per second compared to older sensors. This is great if you use your camera a lot. Aside from the cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be a powerful gaming phone. News from China says that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip will include AI-powered technology to boost frame rates in games. The new AI-powered frame generation technology in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is similar to AMD's FSR and NVIDIA's DLSS. This technology allows the GPU to improve game graphics without losing quality. With this technology, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run Genshin Impact, a high-quality game, at 1080p resolution with a steady 120 frames per second. In comparison, the S24 Ultra can only run the same game at 720p and 60 frames per second. This shows a big improvement in graphics performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is still being developed, so the final version is expected to offer even better quality. There was a rumor that the S25 Plus might be canceled, but this was incorrect. According to Galaxy Club, the S25 series will have 3 models again: the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. That's all for this update. Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness